Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I was just looking up some performing stocks and come across this one. This one's just skyrocketing today. This is Resolute Forest Products, ticker RFP. Here you can kind of see what they've done over the last year. It's just been up and down, $12, $11 range, ran up to 14, 16 there. A little bit higher in the 16s, almost 17, keeps falling back, but it kind of has this pattern, runs up, falls back, if you see, runs up, keeps falling, and then here today it's just taken off, but it's up over 68% in the last year, probably in regards to what it's doing today. And you can kind of see in the last 3 months, the last month it's still up, otherwise it would have been down in regards to what it's doing today, but here today it's just was in the $12 range just a couple days ago, 14, fell back, and then just boom. So here today, basically last night, yesterday, started running up, and then that's what it's doing here today. So just kind of Superman cape there, if you will. But this is Resolute Forest Products. It engages in the production and sale of forest products, operates through the following segments: market pulp, tissue, wood products, newsprint, specialty papers, and corporate and other. Company was founded on January 25th, 2007, headquartered in Montreal, Canada, listed RFP, founded in 2007. $1.57 billion market cap, high today of 2071, low of 2029, so it's not got a whole lot of play today, but you can see the run-up that it's had in the last couple of days. 52-week high of 2071, which that hit today, and low of 984. So, don't know who all out there has this one. I just come across it and thought I'd do a video on it since it is up a crazy amount today, but their next earnings are expected on August 4th in the pre-market. So, but moving on here, so Canada's paper excellent to buy Resolute Forest Products in a $2.7 billion deal, and as you can see, this was just out today. So there is a picture. So Canada's paper excellence, through its U.S. and Domtar agreed to buy Resolute Forest Products on Wednesday in a deal valued at about $2.7 billion, sending the U.S. listed shares of Resolute up by 65% before the bell. So just think if he had a option on this one, wow. Even if you owned the shares, you'd made some money, but an option would have been something else. So, Paper Excellence will pay $20.5 per Resolute share, representing a premium of about 64% of the company's closing price on Tuesday. Deal is in the latest move from the Richmond, British Columbia-based Paper Excellence to expand its footprint in North America, having completed the buyout of U.S. rival Daimler last year. The Montreal, Quebec-based Resolute, which makes market pulp, tissue, wood products, and paper, was formed on a merger on North American forestry groups Bowater and Abitibi in 2007. The shareholders will each receive one contingent value right per share that entitles the holder to a portion of the future softwood lumber duty refunds, over which Canada and the United States are currently in dispute, on $500 million of deposits paid by Resolute through June 30th. The deal is expected to close in the first half of 2023, will be carried out by way of a merger of Resolute and Domtar, and would retain Resolute's production locations and jobs, Paper Excellence said in a statement. Barclays is advising Paper Excellence for the deal, while CBIC Capital Markets is the financial advisor to Resolute. So just wanted to do a quick video on this one since it has had such a run-up, and you can give your thoughts on this one, and if anybody had shares in this one and while you had it on the run-up, That would be interesting to know. Why Resolute shares are rallying today. Again, kind of some of the same information just out a couple hours ago. So the has agreed to acquire Resolute Forest Products. So kind of some of the same information. So just scroll through this and see if there's anything else that we missed. So a 40% stake has supported the acquisition. Transaction brings complementary capabilities in lumber and pulp and paper excellence. Will become the wholly owned subsidiary of Domtar under the auspices of the group and continue to operate on a business as usual basis under the Resolute name. Cash portion of the merger consideration represents a premium of approximately 64% to Resolute's last closing price, representing an enterprise value of approximately $2.7 billion. Share will receive a $20.50 per share together with a CVR entitling the holder to a share of future softwood lumber duty deposit refunds. And shares were up 67% at $20.86 in the pre-market. Again, some of the same information, just a different article here on MarketWatch. So just going to scroll through this one. Right to receive $20.50 per share. Represents a 64.1 premium on Tuesday's closing price of $12.49. So could have almost doubled your money there. So over here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing it as a buy. Here on StockTwits, currently at $20.48. I just did videos on all these, should have been last week. Take notice, I'll be holding for at least 2 weeks. Not much other information in there than what we've already went over. Currently on MSN Money, currently showing it as a buy, and it's already past the analyst expectations, but just come across this one, wanted to do a video on it and see if anybody out there has this one, since it is on such a great run up here today. So I wish I would have saw this one yesterday and could have cashed out and made some good money on it. So but that's it for this one. I'll be making some more here throughout the day, so if there's any videos you want me to, any stocks you want me to make a video about, I'd be happy to do that as well. Just leave it in the comments, and if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is Jay Money following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.